morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and happy. So we are continuing with our chapter adverbs. Yesterday we discussed the definition of adverb and we discussed some examples as well. I hope you all understood that. And today our topic is kinds of adverb. What is kinds of adverb? You might have heard about kinds of adjective. Adjective of time, adjective of place, adjective of manner. So the same way the adverbs are also having some kinds or types. Okay. So the very first one, that is adverb of time. Adverb of time. What it denotes? Adverb of time shows when an action takes or took place. So when that particular action happened or maybe the thing happened. Example, Arunima came here yesterday. In this sentence, Arunima came here yesterday, which is a verb, the action which is happening over there. Came, Arunima came here. That is the action happened over here. So this is the verb in that sentence. So something as per the definition, we have seen that adverbs are giving some extra information to the verb. Arunima came here yesterday. So giving answer to this question, when an action takes place or took place, so it is already happened, it is yesterday, it is in past tense, so it is already took place. So the question is that when an action happened, when Arunima came yesterday. So this is the adverb used in that sentence. Okay, adverb. And this is adverb of time, when an action took place. Arunima came here. When that action took place? Yesterday. So Arunima came here yesterday. So here came is the verb, yesterday is the adverb. So let's see one more example. Now I am going to the going to her home. Now I am going to her home. So in this sentence, which is the verb? Action is going to happen. Going. Okay, particular person is going to her home, maybe friend or maybe relative. Now I am going to her home. When she is going or he or she is going to home? Now. Okay, when an action takes place. Okay, when she is going, now I am going to her home. When I am going to her home? Now I am going to her home. So this is the adverb giving answer for this question. Now I am going, that is the verb action which is happening here. Now I am going to her home. So once again the definition, when an action takes or took place, that is what expressed by adverb of time. I hope this is clear for you. So there are some examples is given in your textbook as well. Please go through that. Okay. So, which is given in your textbook, that is, they tell us when the action takes or took place. Words such as since, for, ago, before, today, still, yet, soon are some of the adverb of time. So, the examples for adverb of time is also given here. Since, for, ago, before, today, still, yet, soon. All these are the examples of adverb of time. Okay, is it clear? Now we are moving to the next kind of adverb. We are going to see adverb of place. Adverb of place. So let's see what it is. Adverb of place denotes where an action takes or took place. Okay, where an action happened. Okay. Here, example, they built a house nearby. They built a house nearby. In this sentence, the action which is taking place, what is that? They built. It's already over. It is in past tense. They built. Means the action which is took place, that is, they built a house. And where an action happened? Nearby. Okay? Where they built the house? They built the house nearby. Okay? So this is the adverb. And the action which is happened here is built. Second sentence, she took the child outside. She took the child outside. In this sentence, action is done by the subject, that is took. Okay, it is a verb. Where she took the child? Outside. Where the action happened? Outside. So this is the adverb. Okay, this is the adverb. So adverb of place means where an action. So adverb of place is giving answer for this question, where an action takes or took place. So here you can see some examples of adverb of place. Here, there, away, near, everywhere, nowhere. So these are the commonly used adverb of place. So there are some examples given in your textbook also. Page number 50, example which is given. I don't look away when I am talking to you. I don't look away when I am talking to you. The second example is given. He had thrown balls of crumpled paper everywhere. Okay, he had thrown the balls of crumpled paper. Okay, that is action happened over there. So where? Everywhere. Okay, so everywhere is the adverb of place used over there. Now we are moving to the next kind of adverb, which is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is giving answer for the question how an action takes or took place. How an action takes or took place. So this is what is described by adverb of manner. So here you can see the example. She stood up slowly. She stood up slowly. In the sentence, which is the verb? She stood up slowly. Stood up. That is the action happened over there. So this is the verb in this sentence. She stood up. Okay, it is in past tense. The action is already over. Okay. She stood up slowly. How? She stood up slowly. She stood up. How she stood up? Slowly. So this is the adverb. Okay. It is telling the how an action takes or took place. So the action which is happening here, she stood up. How she stood up? She stood up slowly. This next sentence. He asked angrily. He asked angrily. So here the verb is asked. The action which is happening here. He asked. Asking. Okay, a verb. Okay, so this is the verb over here. How he asked? He asked angrily. How he asked? Angrily. That is the adverb in this sentence. Okay. So your adverb of manner is telling us how an action takes or took place. So in your textbook also some example is given. He charged angrily towards the man who had insulted him. Charged. So in that, charged is the verb and how he charged? Angrily. Okay, describing about the action. Second sentence, she came to the party directly from the office. She came to the party, that is the action happened over there. How she came? Directly from the office. Okay, how the action takes or took place? She directly came from the office. And now we are moving to the next kind of adverb, that is adverb of frequency. Okay, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us that how often an action takes or took place. How often an action takes or took place. So here with the example you can understand it in a better way. He is often late at work. He is often late at work. So something extra. Once we are pronouncing this word, we never used to pronounce T. T is silent over here. So we used to say that often. Often. Okay, T is silent over there. So he is often late at work. He is often late at work. So here the action is late. Okay, he is often late at work. So how often it is happening? Often late at work. Another example, we seldom see John. We seldom see John. So see is the verb in this sentence. Seldom, what is the meaning of the word seldom? Seldom means rarely, rarely. Okay, so we seldom see John. So how often you see John? seldom, rarely. See, John. So this is the adverb over here. So this is the adverb over here in this sentence. And some example is given in your textbook. She never watches television in her free time. She never watches television in her free time. So in that sentence you can find that watches television. Watches is the verb used in that sentence. And then she never. How often? She never watches television. So the word never is the adverb used over there. In second sentence, I usually read the newspaper in the school bus. I usually read the newspaper in the school bus. So reading, read is the verb used in that sentence. I usually read the newspaper in the school bus. So how often you used to read newspaper? Means rarely, every day. Okay, so like that it is the asking how often you used to read the newspaper in the school bus. I usually, I mean almost all the day I used to read that in the school bus only. So this is the adverb of frequency. So this adverbs can be placed sometimes before the verb, okay, the base form of the verb, before the main verb. Here the example is given here. They rarely use their garden. They rarely use their garden. Okay, here in that sentence the word use, that is an action, verb. Okay, they rarely use. So the adverb is rarely, so which is used before the verb. Okay, they rarely use the garden. So use is the verb, rarely is the how, the adverb of manner. How they use? Rarely use. Sorry, adverb of frequency. Rarely use the garden. Okay. So here the adverb is used just before the main verb. And in the case of sometimes the be form will be the verb, auxiliary verbs, am, is, are, etc. Okay. So in such cases it will come after that be form. Okay. For example, in example, he is always in trouble. He is always in trouble. Sometimes it will be after the be form. Sometimes at the end of the sentence also we will use adverbs. For example, my mother goes to the temple every day. My mother goes to the temple every day. In that sentence, my mother goes to the temple, the verb, the action which is happening, goes. Okay. How? Every day. How often? Okay, every day. So in adverb of frequency you can place the adverb sometimes before the main verb, sometimes after the be form, sometimes at the end of the sentence, sometimes in the beginning of the sentence also you can use in the case of adverb of frequency. So today we are going to wind up from here. Next day we will discuss adverb of degree, adverb of sentence, interrogative adverbs, relative adverbs, etc. Okay. So these 4 adverbs, please go through the explanation given in your textbook. Go through the examples as well. Okay. So I hope you did understand it well. Bye. Take care.